He's just putting in the regulator, getting it all ready. We're about to do a cold start. We still got some wiring to do inside the car right now. So that's what's going on with the 16 valve. We got to put a pulley in, so hopefully we should be good with that. But we're about to start this in a little bit, so I'll throw some footage of that. Got my brother in town. Got a shitload of parts over here. Things all over the place. I got my kids here working on the black GTI, so we started on this already. We took out the wire harness out of this. We took and grinded the whole floor down. We're putting some PUR 15 in here now. The guys are painting it. My boys are painting it all down. After that dries, then we'll go ahead and spray some Line-X on it, and then we'll start laying some noise densening paper down and getting the firewall all ready, so we can start laying down the new wire harness on this car and getting this one ready for the 1.8T that we're going to go on. So this will be a long process. There'll be a bunch of videos for that. So there you go. These guys are working on here doing that, putting in that pure 15. But this is where we're working on now. We're trying to get this all done. Right here, we got the battery in. We got power going to the car. We got some fuel regulator that he's working on, custom bracket that we relocated the water, the windshield wiper fluid. We're leaking over there. And we got the intake custom. So 16 valves. Which 16 valves are the ones on the right? Scirocco's. And then the ones to the left? Passats. Jetta Golf. So there you go. So for you guys that don't know, Scirocco's on the right, Golf's are to the left. So that's the setup that we went here. This motor's brand new transmission, everything on this beautiful, beautiful 1992 Volkswagen Cabriolet 16 valve. There it is, guys. And it's not automatic. We have to change that out tomorrow. And add the linkage cables. But this one will be ready to go. All cleaned up. And these are all parts for the GTI. We got a bunch of parts up there for the GTI. We got an engine for the GTI over there, for the black one. That's the 1.8 that's going in the GTI. And we got a spare motor for parts. We don't need parts, we have them. Because parts are just so difficult to get. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will come back once we're ready to do a start on it. And we got the honeycomb rims on, which these got to get redone, but these are not going to be on this car because they're 14-inch and we're doing wheel brakes on this. So we need to go with 15s in order to get the brakings to fit in here. But you can see we got no motor in here, no windows, no nothing. Just the little side windows I put on so they don't break the other day, and the kids are working on getting the whole inside done. So we're getting there, boys. Getting there.